Couponing with Tisa.
Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday, you guys. I am so happy to be back with you guys. I feel so much better. Wasn't feeling horrible, but it was the dry cough, you guys, that I had. It was the pits. So your girl is back. Happy Sunday to you. Happy New Year's Eve to you guys. It's our last Walgreens video for 2023. So thanks for tuning in. We are in a new month of deals at Walgreens. And yeah, so we still have our digital spend booster that is good until today. The spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. We do have a new booster, at least the one that I got was spend, I think it's spend 25, get $7 back in Walgreens cash, but it's not applicable until tomorrow. It starts on the 1st through the 7th. So that was not applicable now. So if you want to wait and do these deals tomorrow so you can do that deal, then you can definitely look at doing that. I have some register rewards to burn, so I'm definitely going to be doing this paper deal because my god baby's going back to college and she needs some paper products. So your girl got to come through for her. You know, she can't be paying full price. She in college. But yeah, so we got some pretty decent deals that's going on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head into Walgreens and see what the deals are for this week. You guys know we always have to bring a oral care deal. There is a couple of Colgate deals that's going on. One of them is when you buy 2 of the products, you'll get back a $4 register reward. So let me show you guys the register rewards that are included. So one of the deals is you pick up 2 of the products that are marked for $5 each. The bigger size, like this toothpaste, is a 6 ounce. That's going to be $10. There's a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that's available, leaving you to pay $5, but you'll get back a $4 register reward, leaving you at just $1.50. Now, another deal you can do is when you buy 2 of the products, you'll get back a $3 register reward. So look for the products that are marked for $4 each. That's going to be $8 picking up 2. There's a $4 off digital coupon, leaving you to pay $3. You'll pay $4 but get back the $3, again leaving you at $1.50 each. And of course there is a Crest deal as well, so let me get the products together and show you guys that deal. So you can pick up any of these Crest products here. They're all marked for $5. They do have different digital coupons that are out there for you guys to be able to use. So picking up 4 of them at $5 each, I'm sorry, picking up 2 of them, at least 2, not 4, my bad, it's $10. There is $2 queues, like I said, out there for various products, just depending on what you need to get. So pay $6, but you'll get back a $4 register reward, leaving you at $2 or just $1 for each one, which is not bad with these big old bottles of Crest and Scope. So of course the Gillette I want to show you guys is not in stock, but it's on the Gillette foam. Pick up 2 of them at $3.49 each. Well, they're $3.79 in this store, but you can buy one get one 50%. So at $3.49 you'll pay $5.23, but you'll get back a $5 register reward for picking up 2 of them, leaving them just at 22 cents or 11 cents. Here is a deal on some of the Degree deodorant. They're part of a deal when you buy 2. Well, when you buy one get one half off, but when you buy 2 you get back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So as you can see in my store, they're $4.49. Those are the ones that I'm going to focus on. So that's going to bring your total to $6.73. There is no coupon, but you will get back a $4 register reward for picking up 2 of them. Well, sorry, $4 in Walgreens cash. Leave them at $2.74 or just $1.37 each, which is not a bad deal at all. Also check Fetch Rewards because Degree is one of the featured brands on there, and you may be able to find a deal or 2 on there as well. Also look for the Degree Unlimited. They had it in this store marked down, as you can see, the $3.49, but they don't have any more in this store, so I can't do the deal with that. But they should apply to the deal because it is for Walgreens cash. Here's a good deal that's going on this week on the Dial body wash. They are on sale for $5 each, and when you buy 2 you'll get back a nice $4 register reward. So pick up 2 for $10. No digital coupons, but you'll get back the $4 register reward, leaving you at $6 or just $3 each, which isn't bad for this body wash. another deal I think is probably worth picking up is on the Perel hand sanitizer. They're on sale this week, 2 for $3. You can get the bigger ones at $3.49, but I think this is a good one. I often keep these in my purse myself. It's back, you guys. The Walgreens tissue deal is back through January the 27th, where you can get it for just $1.99. I always say stock up on them. You got register rewards at Walgreens, cash to burn. Stock up on toilet tissue. The Tide and Gain deal is back, you guys. When you pick up 4 of the products, when you buy them at $5.49, you will get back a $5 register reward. So let me show you a few products that are included in the deal, guys. So here's everything pretty much except for the bounce dryer sheets. My store was out. They are all marked at $5.49. They all have various digital coupons that you would be able to use in the transaction as well. So check your account to see what's applicable to you or the products that you need for your household and do the deal. Here's a particular deal you can do. These 4 items will total you $21.96. Well, they all have a $1.50 digital coupon that is applying to each one of them. So that's going to take your total down to just $15.96. But you'll get back the $5 register reward, you guys, taking you down to just $10.96 for all 4 of the products, or just $2.74 each. Another deal that's still out there is on the Tide Simply. It's the 4 for $10. So let me show you guys the products that are included in that promotion. And here you go, guys. So here are some of the products that are included in that 4 for $10. Basically making each one of them like $2.50 each. So almost equivalent to what that Tide and Gain deal was. That was a pretty decent deal too. I think it made them like $2.74 each or something like that. So either deal is a good deal in my book. The Arm & Hammer is back on sale for buy 1 get 2 free. That's going to make each one of them around $2.50 each. So if you like Arm & Hammer products, definitely look at picking up either the liquid detergent or even the scent boosters. They are also included in the promotional as well. Here's a deal on Persil. It was much better last week. No, this is a pretty decent deal. They're on sale this week for $5.99, and when you buy one, you'll get back a $2 register reward, which will leave you at $3.99. So not bad. We don't have any digitals, but if you ever had any of the disc and looked in the inside of it, they may have some coupons in there. So check your disc pack if you have any to see if there's any coupons inside that you can use on this deal. The promotional is back again with the Scott Comfort Plus and the Scott paper towels. When you buy one, you'll get one half off. So you end up paying $7.50 for both of them together. Another deal that is a part of the buy 4 get back the $5 register reward is on the Charmin Essentials. You can see the 6 equals 24. The Bounty Essentials are also a part of that. And so is the Bounty, the 2 equals 5 is a part of that deal. So here is a potential deal that you can do with that. At $5.49 each, that's going to be again $21.96. But we have dollar digital coupons that we can use on the Bounty and the Charmin, and we have 50-cent digital coupons we can use on them as well. That's going to take us to $18.96. But you'll get back the $5 register reward, leaving you at just $13.96 or $3.50 each. I think that's a good deal too. Another amazing deal I think that you should absolutely do this week is on the Walgreens brand disinfectant wipes that are on sale for $1.99, you guys. The 75 count. I think that's a must-do deal. Another great deal is on the aluminum foil, the 25 squares. If your store has them in stock, they're on sale this week too for $5. And then the sandwich bags, the Walgreens brands, are the complete home, or buy 1 get 2 free. We always love that deal, making them at like 93 cents for each one of them. Guys, there is a deal on Pantene this week. Focus on the one that's $5. They're buy 3 get back a $5 register reward. There is a $3 off of 3 digital you can use. That'll leave you to pay $12, but you'll get back the $5 register reward, leaving you at $7 or $2.33 for each one. Also a hair care deal going on with the Dove. As you can see, they are buy one get one half off. But also when you purchase 4 of them, you'll get back $10 in store rewards. So if you pick up like 4 of them at $5.49, that's going to be basically like paying because they're buy one get one half off. So it's like in my store it will be equivalent to like $16.47. But again, you'll get back the $10 register reward. That'll leave you at $6.47 for all 4, or just $1.61 for each one. So if you need, like, if you love Dove, pick it up. All right, guys, so here's everything that I'm picking up in my haul. It's a little over $40. Like I said, I have some register rewards that I have to burn, so I'm going to use those to help lessen my out of pocket. Again, you guys get what's best for you. This is what's best for me. Again, my god baby is on her way back to college, so I want to get her some items that she can use in her apartment. So let's go check out. All right, guys, so here is my breakdown. There are my disinfectant wipes, my Bounty, my Charmin, my Persil, and the Tide deal. There are my register rewards that I rolled. Now, one of my digitals for $1 did not come off, so not sure why it didn't come off, because I did make sure it was clipped. So it wasn't that, it just didn't come off. It must have attached to one of the other products. So it ended up being $27.93 before tax, $30.45 after. I did get back the $10.53 in everyday points in Walgreens cash. And I also got back the $5 and the $2 register reward for the Persil deal and for the buy 4 deal. So that left everything at like $12.92, not counting back in the register rewards that I used. I don't feel like doing that math. But anyway, still not a bad deal for especially all those paper products. And I'd do anything for my god baby. I love her dearly. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. And yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. And if nobody else tells you today that they love you, know that I love you. I appreciate you all. And again, thanks for the congrats on my Walmart creator account. I'm so excited about that and the fun things that I'm going to do over there. But till the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.